Hi, it's David with Futures Trading. Here's the weekly of the micro NQ. All right, so going into next week, we expect that price will get above this level here. I do not expect it to slow down until we get right into this area here. However, uh, getting past this high will be significant, because we have a green bar, and it's something you can begin to take with you when I do these videos and do a series of them. Here's a green bar with no outline. They tend to lean back over, kind of immediate or within 2 bars of seeing this green bar here. So they leaned over and there's the takeoff. Now the consecutive closes above this level is important, and you can kind of see that on the way up. If they can immediately give that consecutive close, that's intent to move higher. The bars with the blue outline, you want to see them pretty much hold that bar. You just want to kind of see that. One without the outline here, green, here's the immediate move back down. Red without the outline, here's the move back up. You had the one with the outline into this high, and here's the one without, two back over, one with. They tried to hold it, came back with the outline, tried to push down. The level held. Consecutive closes beneath, then they could possibly go ahead and move lower. However, they managed to turn themselves back up. Again, these levels, you can ride them on the way as well. That's important as well. So, and everything is in context. Everything is definitely in context here. So they went back up, hit this level here, gave the consecutive closes, only to lean back right into that and then begin to move itself up. So right into this area here, that's where I expect price to begin to lean back down. Definitely the hold here. Okay, we want to kind of see them stay above that 1300, if at all possible. And if they manage to get back under here, let's just look for the move right back up. For the close to continue higher. Okay, so now let's take a look at that daily. Here's the daily in context with that weekly. We had Thursday's bar with no outline. And so Friday, we kind of compressed price and brought it right back into the range of that bar here. There's a no outline here, kind of lean back over. And then, of course, price began to move itself back up. Here's the blue outline here. We held that bar, and there's the move. Now, red bar, no outline. We went back up to test it. Need to get the consecutive closes above here, but they managed to get it above this level here, 1, 2, and you want to see them kind of do it, fairly immediate, and that's intent to move higher, lean back down. This level held here, no consecutive closes beneath here, kind of push back up. You had the green bar with the blue outline, but everything is in context. They managed to lean back over, tested the level, and there's the push higher. You had the green bar, no outline here, a red bar outlined, went up. They couldn't hold it right away, but that's definitely saying something. You can see the volume kind of shifted this high, gave the bar with the no outline, came back with the outline. There's the drop. Okay, so pushing back up here, they tried to hold here for a couple days, tried to hold, but the blue outline came into play. They pushed up, tagged it, only to come back through. There's the consecutive close immediately right beneath this level. They push down lower, and here's the move, getting that going. So that's the daily. So on tomorrow's trading, hopefully we can stay right above this bar here, hopefully, and go ahead and move right through that pivot. Hopefully we can go ahead and get that done. Moving into tomorrow's trading, definitely Tuesday. Hopefully we can go ahead and just finish that out. Now, if you take a look at the hourly, you can begin to just get a bit of a context as to what happened from Thursday's activity. All right, so we had the bar with no outline on it, and there's the move into the high bar with no outline. He came back with another one without outline. We had the red bar with the outline, and we began to move over throughout the London. Tried to get back up and test. Couldn't get the consecutive closes back above there. Red bar, no outline. Gave a push right back into that high. Came back with the green bar with no outline, and that's the move down. Several wicks here. Several wicks. I want to make sure that you understand that that's a problem. All right, so this is what's interesting going into this afternoon and definitely tomorrow's trading. We have the outline from above as well as below. Uh, Things being, considered that, we're bullish, so here's the pressure mounting here. So we want to kind of see if this bar can hold for the next move back up, definitely through that high on the weekly. So we got it from above as well as below. We got to wait and see. All right. So there's several wicks here. Again, red bar, no outline. There's the push. Red bar, no outline. There's the push. Green bar, no outline. Push back down. Red bar, no outline. Kind of stall right in that area. 1, 2, we're trying to move higher, dove back down. There's the move. Okay. So let's take a look at the 1 minute. All right. So we're going to look at a 1 minute if you're not swing trading or, getting in position all day and you're just trying to catch small fluctuations. This should help. All right. So I got you a time range here from 6:15 to 7:45. All right. Now you can wait till 9:30 if you would like, but I just kind of want to put something in front of you. It's really easy. Been doing it for years, so this should help you. Very simple stuff. Price action here. We're going to go with consecutive closes. We're going to just use one bar and look for two closes above or beneath it. So here's a bar here. We got two consecutive closes above the high of this bar. 1, 2, they can move higher. Not a lot there, not a lot there. Okay, so you can wait until it turns itself back around. The C showed up here, and so there's consecutive closes beneath the low of this bar here. All right, so they can move back down. They gave you a lift and they fell back down. Now it's all in context. Everything should be considered in context. All right, now so that's something to look for. Now let's talk about that range. Here is the range from 6:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So right about, of course, that time window, you're going to get a high and you're going to get a low, and of course the mid. All right, so you want to see if you can get the consecutive closes working in your favor. That's important. You want to see if that can happen. You had the C came in. You see the high about to form right about that 7:45. If you see that consecutive closes beneath the low of here, stop, of course, got to be here because they managed to push right outside that bar. They came back up for the test. You don't see any green consecutive closes, respectfully, and so then they turned around and they begin to cascade down. If that's not what you want from below, you can try to play it. You had a bar here, consecutive closes above it, 1, 2. They can move higher. You can target the middle of that range only for it to roll back over. Here's the C here on this bar. So 2 bars back, 1, 2. They gave consecutive closes beneath the low of this bar here. You can get the target right back down to the range. You can wait till it turn back around if you would like, from below. You can, because we're fairly close. If you see the C here, 1, 2 bars back, this is a problem. So if you would like, just wait till they clear this bar and see if you can keep getting those C's to print. All right. So that's back up to the top. And as you can tell, we kind of just, reference that range pretty much all day. And so now let's take a look at just a few more and then I will let you go. All right. So here's, of course, the same thing, 6:15, 7:45. Kind of made that high there. Green bar, no outline. There's the turnaround. All right. So going into this bottom green bar, no outline, we can still move down. Managed to come in with the outline to give the test back up here, a red bar with the blue outline. There's the drop back down off the mid. All right. So managed to turn around, definitely going into 9 o'clock, 9:30. We're back through the high of that range and we managed to stay above it. All right, now let's take a look at a couple more just to give you a good idea of how it works here. All right, so you can see we had a test back at the mid, right about 11:30. And there's the range again. There's the high. Okay, so we have the high coming in. Red bar, no outline. They pushed above it. Didn't want to get back above. Red bar with the outline. Moved down towards the middle of the range. Coming back into this high. Green bar with the no outline. Only to turn back down. Here's the red bar with the outline. Everything in context. They reached above just for the test. Red bar, no outline. Here's the move back to the range. Got up here. Here's the green bar, no outline, and begin to move lower. Stopped. Red bar, no outline. Pushed up, gave you the outline. Red bar, no outline. Here's the trap. And so here's the blue bar with the outline. Let's go back up to the top. All right. So off the bottom, red bar, no outline. Blue bar with the outline, bottom of the range. Reach down for the test, only to run up to the top. All right. Now, so let's take a look at a couple more here. We managed to come down and test by the end of the day. There's some manipulation for you. We got the manipulation going there. So let me move this out the way. So there's the manipulation. Move back up, only to come back down. Tried to use it for support. Couldn't hold it, fell through. Came back down. Red bar, no outline. There's the turnaround. Green bar with the outline. We managed to move up just a bit higher, only to come right back and give a test by the end of day. And one more for you here. All right, so Again, there's some more manipulation for you. Reached up, tagged the mid of that range. Red bar with the outline. Managed to move back up here. Came back with another red bar with the outline and gave you the drop back down. Gave another test at it, but gave you another move lower. Red bar with no outline, blue bar with the outline, and we're back up. All right. So again, 6:15, 7:45 Eastern Standard Time. Use the consecutive closes, kind of moving into those time windows to try to get an idea which side it will turn. Again, there's the weekly. We're definitely bullish here. I don't suspect that we're going to wind up back beneath there. Daily, there's the bar with no outline, but we're coming in on that hourly with several wicks. And again, this is the part that we're wanting to see. There's the blue bar with the outline. So hopefully this is that bottom for it to move back through the high. All right. So I wish you all the best with your trading. Again, take care.